Hello everyone, my name is Monica Oktora, PhD student in Clinical Pharmacy and Pharmacology Department, University Medical Center Groningen. I will share our research about the trends in polypharmacy and potentially inappropriate medication in older and middle-aged people treated for diabetes. As we already know that polypharmacy is common in people with diabetes, especially in older people. The case of polypharmacy is often associated with the potentially inappropriate medication or PIM that can cause medication related harm. Significant increases in polypharmacy prevalence have also been observed in the middle-aged people groups, not only in the older people. However, little is known about the trends of polypharmacy and PIM in people with diabetes. So our study aimed to assess the trends in prevalence of polypharmacy related with PIM in older and middle-aged people with diabetes. We conducted a repeated cross-sectional study in period 2012 to 2016 with the source of data from the prescription database, DutchIDB.nl, that representative for the Dutch population. We included all the people aged 45 years and older with the minimum follow-up of 1 year, and they should receive minimal 2 prescription for diabetes in the year of study. For the outcomes, we have 2 different outcomes. First is the polypharmacy prevalence that we assess the prevalence per calendar year and also stratified by age. And then for the PIM, we divided 2 different groups of population. First is the older age group, and the second is the middle age group. PIMs in the older age group were assessed by using Beers criteria, and PIMs in the middle age group were assessed by using PROMT criteria. As you can see here in the results, firstly results about the trends in polypharmacy. The polypharmacy in people with diabetes during the study period increased here, the blue line, from 56.5% to 58.2%. And that's also the case for all the age groups. Only in the group age of 65 years old and older, the increase only observed until 2015. There was slightly decrease of prevalence of polypharmacy in 2016 in the purple line here. The second results about the PIM, as you can see in the table here, the prevalence of middle age group with at least 1 PIM increased around 2% from 2012 to 2015, and then it decreased 1% afterward in 2016 here. And for the prevalence of older people with at least 1 PIM, you can see that there was consistently a decrease of PIM prevalence. And throughout the study period, it decreased around 3% here. From those results, we can conclude that there was increase in polypharmacy until 2015, but the increase may have stopped after 2015, especially in the older people with diabetes. And PIM among people with polypharmacy decreased in older age people, but not in the middle-aged patient. That's all my presentation. Thank you for your attention.